puppy, meet puppy. Jet Li a big puppy. They little bitty puppies. Jet Li wanna play. Come on, big boy. Let's go. So Jet Li to the vet. Jet Li weighed 51.7, I think. He was sick then. He didn't bounce back. Jet Li probably hit him out. Shoot. He probably hit him out 52 and a half, 53 now. Shoot, by Saturday. Yeah, by Saturday he should be hitting right around 55. He ain't 13 months. He finna be, yeah, let me see, March, April, he's 13, May, yeah, I think May the 2nd, which would not won't be long, he'll be 14 months. He's a big old baby. He's a big old baby. Oh, he enjoying the puppy. Hurricane was over there pissing. Oh yeah, over there smelling, trying to piss on top of her piss. Them puppy just didn't know, they know it's another dog, so they just thinking that they mama. Come on, Jet. Let's go. My big baby. Look, he won't go back down and check on the puppy. Come on, Jet. Let go. But he like them puppy. Jet, come on. He don't want to leave them puppy. Jet, hey, come on. Come on. Let go. I told you we come out the gate without no leash. Give him some free time. And learn how to, you know, smell, walk. I ain't not really smell. Just, you know, just be a dog, walk free. Without somebody had to hold your leash. You know, go where you want to go. Smell what you want to smell. One thing about being in the country, bruh. Hey, dog, get a loose, get some free time. Get some free time, baby. Enjoy the wilderness. Smell where everybody else been. Smell different kind of smells. Free time. That's gonna be a big boy. Already big. He ain't even 30. Well, like I say, man, he finna get, he 13 and 3/4. Finna be 14 months. He getting the mind made up. Eldorado, his brother. Eldorado faster than he is. Eldorado got his mind made up. Jet Li still just like, you know, he's slow motion. That's my baby. That's my baby. Like a little newborn. Introduce stuff gradually. So let him enjoy his puppyhood. He ain't doing that major. But I know what I got in him. I know what I got in him. Go back to that old original stuff. That buckskin black mask. First one I bought from BK. That grand champion with Bible of Trouble. Shoot. That's what that stuff throw back to. I want to say that's the original. That's the original. Him and El Dorado, Tootie, and Hurricane. They the original. That's the pure stuff I got from the beginning. Yeah, it's still flowing through all these dogs. I added a little extra. Put a little more mouth in there. Put a little more, trying to see what he, okay. Man, let me stop video. He gone. But anyway, my fellow Christian, I got some stuff going on. I ain't finna just keep walking like this. Y'all take care. God bless y'all.